as you can see, today we are doing a sewing tutorial. So first of all, this is going to be the pattern of the hair, the way we can roll it, and then we are going to sew in these other human hair. And it's called, you see, we got it from this company, Goddess, three-way parts, and also the color is 1B. So yeah, watch as we proceed with the other side. Okay, so now I'm just skin rolling it. It doesn't have to be that neat, just skin roll it down here. And then you leave those out, so you stop right there. And then the next one, like this. Like that, and then stop, and then we put this in two slot. Why we do it like that is because we don't want to have any bulging under the wig, so we do it just like that. And then we get also the extra hairs out of the way. And then the last one here. Just out of the way. So then we leave it like that. And then under here, I already took the hair out of the way. I'm gonna take off the elastic like that, comb it out, and then we start from the front here, and then we just add each inside, each hair's inside. And then it also remains flat. Like that. Just like that. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry.
Du schlägst mein Ohrring die ganze Zeit.
Oh, is the ear still? So then we're at the end, and then we just pat it out. And then we just cross these like this, and now I'm going to sew them down. Okay, and now I have the needle thread, and now I'm going to sew it down, and then it still remains flat. Like this. and we're going to do the same side as well, and then that's it. So now we are attaching the hair to the braid. Oh, sorry. So, me okay? You help me hold it again, please. Just here. So, we're just attaching this over here. And then we flip it across.
Ich glaube, ich lasse es jetzt einfach. Lass es einfach. Vorne ist es nur ganz kleines bisschen, aber.
Just like that, we don't need too much. And here again. This thread is really thick, so we don't need too much sewing. Right. Okay. It's Brazilian hair. Okay, so you all have seen many videos also with these hair tutorials, so yeah, we're no experts, we're just showing you what we can do. Yeah, so we just show you the styles that we do now and then. Now we go back across, and that we're going to do until we reach the top. Okay, so later we show you the finishing look. Yeah. Now we're going to install the closure. You have to find the middle, and then we're going to just sew it down. Okay, for that I need both hands. So see you when I finish sew it down, but I can show you from the part. It's like this. So these part are going to be attached onto this part of the hair, here. Okay, so good. So this was the last row, because from the top here we could still see some space between. Now we put them down, and the hair is really thick and it covers. Yeah, now you can see no space through the hair. Yeah, so that's it. Wow. Now Manning, look at it now. Yeah, looks nice. Only now just style it, curl it how you like to have it. Now turn the back. Yeah, nice. Wonderful. And how you like it?
I have to see.
Yes, you have to see it first. Okay, good. But I think she'll like it. All right then. See you in our next video.